Welcome back. I am still tuned in to sharing about different AI tools that businesses can use, and maybe even enthusiasts of inspired to maybe do a business. I really think that these tools that are out here, you should explore and just check it out. It may not be for everybody, but I did want to share a definition to kind of see the parallel of what AI is and what it can be capable of. So, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, and it deals with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. But when you think about intelligence, that is the ability to learn and understand. So basically, with the AI, it has the ability to interpret and understand data that we feed it. So the more data that is fed, the better our outcomes are when we utilize it. And so I want to share about some AI uses in machine learning. And it's quite amazing how this is with facial recognition as well as see sound. I'm just going to play a little bit of this video so you can get an understanding of AI used with machine learning.
My friend came over and pointed out that the fire alarm was beeping. I was surprised. I didn't know.
I was cooking in the kitchen and my friend's daughter fell down the stairs and got hurt. She was crying out for help. I had no idea what was happening.
The current products on the market are extremely limited. We can buy a device for a smoke detector and another that tells me when my doorbell rings, but nothing that can distinguish between a microwave, baby crying, dog barking, or any other household sound. The reason no one's been able to create a product like this is the shortage of data. In order to teach a machine learning model how to distinguish sounds with any level of accuracy, you would need literally millions of sound samples. Turns out the answer was in front of us the whole time. YouTube contains over 1 billion hours of videos that are filled with sounds. We trained the C-Sound machine learning model with sound clips from YouTube. Over 2 million videos were analyzed, categorized, and converted into 10-second sound clips, each containing a discrete sound.
So sharing this gives you an idea that artificial intelligence isn't so bad. It actually solves problems. And me coming from friends and some families that are deaf, this was a remarkable change and a resource of help and a tool that you can definitely use to change the outcome of accidents and injuries. So, using artificial intelligence through the use of machine learning, and who would have known that YouTube would be a quality tool to get us to this outcome of this product. So I'm going to move over again to bart.google. I am using some Google products which are open to you all. So again, this is a tool, bart.google.com. And basically, you can do the same thing that you did with the Google Doc, but this asks you to tell me what's on your mind or pick a suggestion. So they have understand, create, explore. In addition, they have different categories for you. So create, get inspired. So we're gonna do the same prompt, nothing different, but just see what it is. So this is where the chat to the left. So it keeps it keeps a history. Let me just redo that. Let's see. So it keeps a history of what you do over on this side where it says new chat. So let's take a look. Let's see. As I mentioned, it tells us the prompt, which is understand, create, or explore. So we're going in the category of create. So we're going to create. So as I mentioned, you can write in create a business plan for a fitness trainer and coach company in Tulsa, Kansas. So, and you also can use the microphone. Very good tool. So let's see what happens. Let's see what comes up. All right, so here we go. As you can see here, it gives an executive summary. It actually gives a name to the company, and you didn't even ask for that. So that's like a bonus point. It gives you a name if you didn't have a name of the company. It gives a little bit of a market analysis for Tulsa, Kansas. It gives a competitive analysis, your marketing strategy, sales strategy, financial projections. It says double check the response, and it gives a conclusion. So it helps you to get started. So this is tool number 2, which is bard.google.com. And you want to make sure, again, you can view other drafts of it. So it gives you more than one option. It gives you at least 3 to get you started. And so I hope you enjoyed seeing this tool, and, think of it as a starting point, especially if you've never written a business plan before. This is a great support. It still does not give you someone that is experienced with writing business plans, who know the particulars, for instance, to cater to funding sources. I think you definitely should try it, but if you're looking for specific of where this business plan is going to land in the hands that moves your business um, to success and more success, then you may want to consider having a consultant that has experience writing business plans. But this will definitely get you started, and all consultants love it when you have a starting point and they can help you with all the kinks. So I hope this was very helpful, and see you at the next video. Thanks.